Okay guys, we're going to be using an AC delco replacement water pump. Think of Gates Thermostat, Pro Gaskets, and ARP Hardware. Just like before, I Loctited the hardware with blue Loctite. I'm not using a crazy amount, just a little drop here and there. Okay, now that we got the water pump in place, we can put the other side bolts and gaskets in. Probably not the best view, and I apologize. So we'll go in a crisscross pattern on this one as well. There's going to be a 2-step torque sequence. The first pass will be at 11 pound-feet, and the second pass will be at 22 pound-feet. I decided to leave the water pump just raw aluminum, kind of like the heads. Everything else has been painted as far as valve covers, block, oil pan. I'm just running like a coolant, like the heater hose, what is it called? Heater hose loop, till I can get the vintage air run, and then we'll really mess with having a heater. But as of right now, that should be fine for what we're gonna do. I'm undecided on running the mechanical fan or running electric fans. So I'll just leave this the way it is as of right now. All right, now that that's tight, we can set our torque wrench to 11 foot-pounds. And then torque in a crisscrossing pattern. All right, now we're gonna jump our torque wrench back to 22 pound feet, sorry. There's 20 and 22. And this is a Tecton 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. It's a 10 to 150 pound torque wrench. Again, we will just crisscross till we get our 22 pound feet. And I'll go over it once again, just to make sure. That's how you install an LS water pump. Real simple. Just 6 bolts, hold it on. I decided to go with ARP like I have been on everything else. The water pump kit comes with the 6 bolts plus the 2 for your water neck housing, which I had already done that off camera. I'm just a big fan of ARP. You can reuse it. They're not gonna break on you. Look a lot better in factory with the 12-point stainless. So now we got the oil pan getting painted, or I have it painted right now. I'm letting it all dry and cure. And then we'll be going on with it. Well, if the ARP Hardware shows up for it. But as of right now, we're just slowly going back together with the engine. We might be doing the alternator and power steering bracket soon. It will be ICT billet brand as well. Or if I can get all the crappy paint off of the bracket, the factory bracket, I'll just run it. But if you enjoyed the video, click the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner. Like, share the video if you want. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys.